This is an iPhone 13 sent by a fan. According to the fan, it has been repaired many times. After each repair, something else fails. Either this part or that part. They no longer want to rush repairs. The fan requested a screen assembly replacement. They also want to transplant a high-quality battery, aiming for a complete fix. This is the second transplant. It shows the fan has developed a fear of repairs. They originally planned to go to customer service. However, the prices there are hard to accept. They only wanted to replace the screen and battery for a backup device. So the fan found us, a fast repair service, on Douyin, with over 2,100 locations nationwide. We focus on high standards. We provide precise screen repairs. We use the Kaiku domestic brand. The display quality is close to original. The high cost-performance ratio is also very attractive. After the replacement, the battery can last for several more years. They chose the battery transplant option. This way, there are no unknown pop-up reminders after replacement. If their iPhone screen is damaged or the battery is not durable, and they are hesitant about the high repair costs, they can click the group purchase link in the lower left of the video. They can choose a cost-effective option. Experience the after-sales service process. Now, let everyone slowly enjoy the detailed repair process. Name Dao. They. Seeing you, I don't wait for you. My. Waiting for you. Love you. Day. Didida. Today. How much? Let's take a look. Their emptiness, their solitude, not you. Yes, yes. Mm. Did.